For natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 100 chart. We are in positive MACD. We're at overbought levels with the RSI. With the 400 chart, we're back into positive MACD and at overbought condition with the RSI. As with the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD and seeing signs of a converge once again. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $16.79, my sell target is at $19.24, and my stop loss is at $16.01. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $19.97, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $17.65, and my stop loss is at $20.76. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 50% chance to climb between 0 to 8.6%, a 4% chance to climb between 8.6 to 17.3%. To the downside has a 38% chance to fall between 0 to negative 8.6%, and 8% chance to fall between negative 8.6 to negative 17.3%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.